In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from ChatGPT. If you need to sign out of your ChatGPT account, the process is very quick and only takes a few clicks. This can be useful if you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or simply want to make sure your session is securely closed before you leave the site. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for. To begin, make sure you're already logged into ChatGPT and looking at the main interface. Once you're on the screen, direct your attention to the lower left corner. That's where you'll find your profile area. Go ahead and click your profile. When you click your profile, a menu will appear with account-related options. This is where ChatGPT groups settings and session controls, including the option to sign out. Take a moment to look through the menu and then click on Log Out. After selecting Log Out, you may see a confirmation prompt. This extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental signouts, especially if you click the option by mistake. If that confirmation window appears, simply click on Log Out again to confirm that you want to sign out of your account. Once you do that, ChatGPT will log you out and return you to the signed out screen. At that point, your session will be closed, and you'll need to sign in again later if you want to continue using the account. A quick tip before you leave. If you're on a public or shared device, logging out is a good habit for protecting your account and keeping your conversations private. Also, if the profile menu doesn't appear right away, try clicking carefully in the lower left corner again, since that's where the account controls are usually located in the interface. And that's it. As you can see, logging out of ChatGPT is a simple three-part process. Open your profile menu, choose Logout, and confirm the action if prompted. It only takes a few seconds, but it's an important step when it comes to account security and managing access to your workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and confidently log out from ChatGPT.